everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna teach you the exceptional cases in singular and plural. Case 1. Some nouns have the singular and plural forms alike. Examples are swine, sheep, and series. These words are used in the same way in both singular and plural forms. Case 2. Some nouns are used only in the plural forms. Examples are scissors, spectacles, trousers, and jeans. These words cannot be used by removing s at the end. Case 3. Some nouns look like plural, but they are in fact singular. Examples are mathematics, physics, news, and measles. These words are singular, though they have s at the end. See you soon in the next video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and ShareChat. Thank you.